JJ the CPA here. Hope you're doing well. So for those of you that are involved in cryptocurrency, you don't need to be worried about this, but on Form 1040, there's a box that you need to check if you've had activity that is related to cryptocurrency. So it's a yes or no. Don't worry about it. A yes doesn't cause you to get audited. There's no reason to be scared. You just need to answer it correctly. So when you're looking at a Form 1040, right on page 1, there's some basic info about who you are, your social security number, your address, your dependents and whatnot. And then pretty much maybe 20% down that form, you're going to see a line item. It's going to ask, in essence, are you involved in cryptocurrency? The one thing I just wanted you to note is that for 2021, the IRS was specific and clarified that it no longer requires you to answer a yes if the only activity you had in 21 was simply purchasing cryptocurrency. Then you can mark it no. Now, I don't know what the benefit is and the concern is about putting yes or no here. But if all you did was purchase it, you did nothing else, you didn't sell it, you didn't trade it, you didn't earn any extra for holding it for a certain period of time, then you can mark it no. But if you did sell it, if you did use cryptocurrency to buy something, whether goods or services, you need to mark it yes. If you got cryptocurrency after you bought cryptocurrency for any reason, then you need to mark it yes. So if you bought cryptocurrency and then you held it for a period of time and then the entity or the brokerage or whoever gave you some more cryptocurrency, you didn't purchase anymore, they just gave you more cryptocurrency, then you need to mark it yes. In fact, that additional amount that you got is taxable. Be like interest income. So at the end of the day, pretty straightforward. I'm not worried about it. I am asking my clients, did you have any involvement with cryptocurrency? If all they did was purchase, we're going to put no. If they have any other activity, mark it yes. And then whatever the activity is, you need to ensure that it's reported. So if it was bought and sold, that's going to be a capital transaction. If you held it and you got more for whatever reason, typically that's on Schedule B as interest income. If you traded it, but for services, well, it's going to be treated as though you sold it, which is a capital gain. If you, or loss, or if you have a business and you received cryptocurrency for selling services or goods, well, then that's going to be taxable as ordinary income. Now, I'm going to give you a link to the Form 1040 and the instructions will simply show you what I just indicated to you. But then I'm also going to make it a note right here. I'm going to give you a link to a video I did here recently, giving my recap to cryptocurrency. And in fact, I'm going to do one extra thing that I've never really done except this one other time. Is I'm going to give you a link to another video by another YouTuber. Now, he'll tell you he's not a tax professional, he's not a financial advisor, but he has a really good video really talking about the basics of cryptocurrency, like the basics, really laid out pretty well. So I'm going to give you a link to that in the video that I'm giving you a link to, meaning if you go to the video I'm giving you a link to, in the body of that video is a link to this other YouTuber, Max, that put together a nice video related to cryptocurrency. All right, hey, thanks for tuning in. I'd love it if you'd subscribe. And then don't you ever forget, you've never met a CPA quite like me. Have a great one.